the start of the lesson we're going to go through what we did, and we're looking at compass bearings and trying to use those to identify the direction to walk in, so they have a direction. They are also judging distance, and we've been doing some work on pacing, so they know how many paces they take to 100 metres, and we use that to help them measure distance when they're out. And then finally they look at a description. So these things, distance, direction, description, that's fundamentally what we're trying to achieve. But we can do that in a classroom. The point of coming to here is that the context is real, and when they're out here, last time we were here it was sunny, today it's not, and they have to dress accordingly, and they have to make decisions based on that. So actually it's perfect today that they can't see very far, because they're having to do the proper navigation as they would need to. And I think that's really important, that they come out and the context is real. If it rains today, they're going to get wet. If they haven't brought their waterproofs, that's going to be worse. And therefore they can learn better. Hopefully they're out there learning independently and backing up the skills that they've learned with us, and hopefully then when they come back again, they'll have learned something and gained a bit of confidence in the fact that they can do it on their own.
Yeah, it's that way.
I think if lockdown has taught us something, it's that being shut away and isolated is a real danger for students, and their mental health as well as their physical health can suffer. So to get people out here is really important. I know that there are people in lots of other faculties who have the skills to do what I'm doing now, and it's really important that we use those skills across the whole school to benefit all students, particularly living in North Wales, because this is on their doorstep.